day everyone, I am Novetsky Lisular and this is my video presentation reaction for the video attached in our Google Classroom. That video is all about RA 11511, an act amending Organic Agricultural Act of 2010, RA 10068. That video is very nice and they really explain well. They also tackle about silent points, function, duties, and responsibilities of BAFT, and also participatory guarantee system or PGS. They tackle that very nice, and also the act amending of organic agriculture that is approved on December 23, 2020. This act amending the act amending the organic agriculture is published in Official Gazette on January 5, 2021, effectively on January 21, 2021. In the video, they really explain well all about the Act amends Organic Agriculture 2010, the importance of BAP, the responsibilities of BAP. We people, we really need to know organic agriculture. Maybe some of the farmers know that, but not really knowledgeable. Me as a future agriculturist, it's our duty to acknowledge and implement the organic agriculture introduced to the farmers. What is organic agriculture so that they can apply it. This will help them lessen their expenses, but it's always depends on them if they want to. Because if we are being practical and being straight looking to earn money, of course we will apply medicine, because organic agriculture takes time to have and to be effectively organic. It's very hard to prove an organic agriculture, especially now. Also, declaration of policy. In declaration of policy in the video, they say promote, propagate, develop, further, and implement the practice of organic agriculture in the Philippines. In the video, they say that we need to promote and propagate the development further and implement the practices of organic agriculture here in the Philippines, because here in the Philippines, organic agriculture is not really voiced out or not really intended for people. And this organic agriculture is like masasabi nating na pag-iwanan na ng panahon, hindi na ginagamit ng mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. They will just using some chemicals without knowing that it can hurt the ecosystem, the soil, and the plant. That's why in declaration of policy, we need to promote, propagate, develop further, and implement the practices of organic agriculture here in the Philippines. Me as agriculturist, that in the future further, we will guide the farmers for this organic agriculture. We will also promote and propagate, develop further for their understanding, and implement for them, introduce them the organic agriculture.